Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Ivy and I'm a makeup artist, YouTuber and content creator based in Asaba, Delta State, Nigeria. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my most recent perfume hauls from Lattafa and also from Hareem Istanbul, and showing you what I got and my thoughts and opinions about these perfumes. This is a content you like to see, then please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe. It only takes 1 second. So guys, I had run out of a couple of my perfumes and I knew I needed perfumes. Like, I have different types of perfumes. I have like affordable perfumes under 15k. I use for like day to day, just let me just get here kind of perfumes. I have perfumes that I like to wear. They're not so expensive, but like I can use for like outings, and still smell good. I had a budget of about 100k and I needed to get like 2 perfumes. I know perfumes are so expensive these days. So expensive. I wanted to get my Bigale by Oma, Goddess, Mystique and the Blush Bloom perfumes. But each of those perfumes right now cost 70,000 naira. So the 3 of them would have cost me 210,000 naira. I will still start preparing myself towards getting them later on in the year, but for now I know I need perfumes. And so I was in the ShopRite mall here in Asaba, and as I was coming out after I was done doing whatever I needed to do there, I saw that there was a Hareem Istanbul stand, and I know I used to see that stand there, but they had more like diffusers and all of that good stuff, and I see that they had perfume, so I was like, let me just go closer and see. And then I just started testing out the perfumes and they were really nice and quite affordable. So I decided to, out of all they had about 4 new scents. Out of all those scents, I loved the Perfume Chaos. So the names, I don't know, the names are just doing me one kind, but I love the Perfume Chaos. So I got the 100ml in the Chaos. They also have the 50ml, and then they have the 12, I think it's 12ml perfume. So whatever your budget is, like, you can just wiggle your way around. Okay, so those 12ml cost 9,900, the 100ml cost 59,000, and the 50ml cost 39,000. So I was like, okay, if I get 2 of the 50ml now, that would be almost 39, almost 78,000, as compared to having the 100ml of 59,000. So I'm saving almost 20k. So I was like, okay, let me just get this. And I love the scent so much. So we're starting with the scent Chaos. This is how the perfume looks like. They have the scents for men and women. This is Chaos for women. All the Perfume Intense 100ml, and it's from the brand Hareem Istanbul. I think that's how it's pronounced. This perfume is so nice. Can you see the bottle? The bottle is just so bougie, quite heavy too. I'm just going to be reading the notes for you right now. This perfume is called Chaos. Like I said, it cost 59,000 naira. They said Chaos is a fragrance that's your own personal explosion of untamed allure. Wow. Experience the finest quality with Chaos Women Perfume. Chaos is a fragrance that ignites with your every move, a rebellious echo of your untamed spirit. It's a whirlwind of unexpected twists, a defiance against the ordinary. This is not a scent that seeks to blend in, it's a blaze of individuality, leaving a trail of untamed allure that lingers long after you have disappeared. I haven't really read this before, but the notes. Typically, perfumes will have top notes, mid notes, and base notes. But the notes I have here, they just have mandarin orange and blood orange. So I feel like maybe the top notes are mandarin orange, or the top note is mandarin orange, and the middle and base notes, probably middle note blood orange. I don't think this has a base note. So this perfume is, personally, I like sweet perfume. I don't like perfumes that, I think it's called gourmand, perfumes that have that food kind of scent. This perfume has a flowery scent to it. I don't know why I'm not seeing any flower scent. I'm just seeing mandarin orange and blood orange. Yes, you can smell the orange in it, but there is a sweet floral scent to this. This is like a sophisticated woman perfume, and fine, it doesn't last as long as I would like it to last, but the scent, like, this is a perfume I put on, and whenever I pass, people always ask me, what do you have on? So I love this. So beautiful. And then there were two other scents I saw and I liked. The second one, but I wasn't so convinced, and so I was like, okay, let me just get the 12 mils of it, and when I use it up, I will know which one I chaos. I know I love that. It's something I'm going to have in my perfume collection on standby routinely. Then I have the other one called Narcissist. The names, like I said, are they're throwing me off one kind, because why would I want to use a perfume called Narcissist? Why would I want to use a perfume called Narcissist? But this is how it looks like. It said Narcissist for women who they perform intense. This is a 12 mils, and when you open it, it's like this. It's not one of those refillable perfumes. I thought it was like those perfume atomizers. It's not. I wish it had come like a perfume atomizer. That would have been so nice. It's not something we can open, can we? No, can't open it. That's so sad. So let's get the notes for Narcissist. Narcissist, the 100 mils cost 59,000, the 50 mils cost 39,000. It's like a uniform price range around the country. And then this is the 12 mils, it cost 9,900 naira. And they said, own the room with Narcissist, a fragrance as intoxicating as your own reflection. This is the female one. I think they have the male version of it too. Unleash the power of long-lasting freshness with Narcissist female perfume. Narcissist isn't for the faint of heart. It's a fragrance as audacious as you are, a shimmering aura that commands attention. Ha! Forget subtlety. This perfume is a decadent cocktail of confidence laced with a hint of mystery. It's the scent of stolen glances and unforgettable entrances. Hey, where Narcissist and the world becomes your mirror, reflecting back the image you were born to project. And then you have the top notes are mandarin orange and blackcurrant. The base note is, the mid note is petitgrain, and the base note is lavender. So we're going to spray this here. Oh man, this place is scenting like a beautiful flower garden. Let's see. It's nice. As it's drying down, you are getting the notes are clearer. I feel like this has that musky, not really oud, musky, woody scent to it. A guy can wear this perfume and it's not feminine. It just has, it's a bit flowery, but it has this musky, woody scent to it. You can smell the lavender. Lavender is like little light whiffs of the lavender. It's nice. It's okay, but I think I still prefer the Chaos, because I need two of the perfumes, Chaos and one other one. So this is the Narcissist. It's like a unisex perfume, female and male. I think I like my perfumes too. It's nice, But personally, I think I like my perfumes to be a bit more flowery. So of course I will use up this one, but I don't think this is like my personal vibe. And then the last perfume I purchased from Hareem Istanbul is the perfume in Illusion, the 12 mils of 8, which looks just like this. Illusion, a fragrance as captivating and multifaceted as the woman who wears it. Illusion is a captivating perfume, a symphony of scents that plays on the art of mystique. It's a fragrance that unfolds like a secret, revealing layers of floral intrigue and a touch of unexpected spice. This captivating blend leaves a trail of unforgettable wisps, a constant invitation to discover the ever-evolving woman who wears it. The top note is mandarin orange, the mid note is pink pepper, and the base note is bergamot. I often like perfumes that have bergamot in it, so okay, we'll spread Illusion here. We spread Chaos here, so okay, no, we spread Narcissist here, we spread Chaos here, so let's spray Illusion here. Okay, I think Illusion might be the second. Chaos and Illusion. Illusion might be the second. Oh. I've sprayed them before, like that very day when I was testing it at the stand, but like I've not really sat down to like really do a deep dive, and that I was in a rush anyway. I like Illusion. I like it. It has that floral scent that I love. Very subtle. It's not overpowering. One of these subtle scents. Okay. So Chaos and Illusion. It is. I still prefer Chaos, but Illusion is like a close second. It's one of those soft scents. Very feminine, very floral. You said once more the notes, top, mid, and base notes. You have mandarin orange, pink pepper, and bergamot. I love this. I love it. Solution is my second favorite, and then Chaos and Narcissist. I'm not getting Narcissist speaking. Narcissist is just there. And then the fourth and final perfume I got is from Lattafa. This is the Lattafa and Hareem perfume, 100 mils. We're having a sale on Jumia, and I was like, okay. I had this in my cart for the longest time, and I just saw that the vendor had slashed the price, and I was like, see me, see you. I just jumped. So I got it for, typically it goes around for around 42, 43,000, but I got it for 35,000 naira, and I was so happy to get this. This is a Lattafa perfume, one of those Arab style perfumes. Like I said, I got it for 35,000 naira. The Lattafa and Hareem features a sweet and spicy scent profile with top notes of mandarin, ginger, and pink pepper, mid notes of praline, lavender, and cacao, and a base note of amber, musk, and vanilla. This oriental vanilla fragrance is designed to be a long-lasting scent. This is one of those gourmand scents. I have used it, and I've seen so many reviews about this, and somehow I knew, like, it's one of those vanilla, like the vanilla is really pronounced, and I personally prefer my perfume to be a bit more floral, like a mixture of floral scents. And so, okay, we don't have anything on here. The first time I sprayed it, I was like, this is one of those perfumes that I will often layer with another perfume, just so that I don't have that strong vanilla scent. Like I said, it typically goes for between 40 to 55,000, but I got mine for 35,000. The scent is nice. It's really good. Of course, you know, Lattafa products are always good. It has a beautiful scent, but it has, the vanilla is like overshadowing the perfume a bit more. It's a really nice perfume. It's really nice. Like I said, personally, I would like to layer this with another perfume. I prefer that when I layer it. It doesn't have to be with a very expensive perfume. It can be with any one perfume. I have this Betray Eternal Heart perfume. I like to layer this with, and it, like the scent I it gives, nothing like it. So I like it. It's a nice scent. Is it a scent I would get again, like when I run out of it? This Angam. I'm not a perfume connoisseur as such. Like, I'm not one of those people who does perfume reviews and have shelves full of perfumes. So I'm not so sure, because any perfume I have, I use, so I always run out of. I don't have to keep it so that I can do dupes and all of those sweet things that perfume connoisseurs do. So when this Angam gets finished, will I repurchase it again? I don't think so. I don't think it's my vibe. I think I like more floral scents. So yes, you like more floral scents. Why did you get the Angam? Don't ask me. I needed perfumes and I needed something affordable, and I've had mixed reviews about this, and I just figured, okay, yes, I know the vanilla, the gourmand scent is going to be like really heavy, but something I can manage. And yes, it's something I can manage. It's a good scent, but it's not like my personal vibe, like that fresh floral scent. So I'm still going to enjoy using it. That's the last perfume on our list. I love scenting good. Like, you can't catch me on fresh. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for staying tuned till the end, and until I come your way again, remain blessed. Bye guys.